Ever thought about buying shares of Apple or Tesla but felt intimidated by the traditional stock market? Thinking face, what if I told you there's a way to get exposure to these tech giants using your crypto exchange account? Let's dive into the world of Kraken xStocks. What are Kraken xStocks? Kraken xStocks are essentially tokenized versions of real-world stocks and ETFs. Think of them as crypto assets that are pegged 1:1 to the value of a publicly traded company's stock, like Apple or Tesla. This means that while you're trading a token on the blockchain, its price directly mirrors the stock's price on a traditional exchange. It's a bridge between the decentralized world of crypto and the centralized world of finance. How it works: buying Apple, AAPLX, and Tesla, TSLX. The process is surprisingly straightforward. Instead of buying the actual stock, Apple or Tesla, you're buying the tokenized version, AAPLX or TSLX. Here's a simple breakdown of the process. Sign up and verify. If you haven't already, you'll need to create an account on Kraken and complete the necessary verification steps. This service is available to non-US retail clients in select countries. Fund your account. You can fund your Kraken account with either fiat currency, like USD, or a cryptocurrency. Kraken even handles the conversion during the trade. Find the token in the Kraken app or on the web platform. Simply search for the tokenized stock you want to buy, for example, AAPLX or TSLX. Place your order, enter the amount you wish to invest. A key benefit here is that you can buy fractional shares, with investments starting as low as $1. This makes it much more accessible than buying a full share of a high-priced stock. Confirm the trade, review the details, and confirm. Just like that, you've gained exposure to the price movements of Apple or Tesla. Key differences and risks. Now, it's crucial to understand that buying an X stock is not the same as owning the actual stock. Here are some key differences. Ownership: you don't own the underlying stock. X stocks are a representation, not the actual security itself. This means you don't get shareholder rights like voting or attending company meetings. Dividends: instead of receiving cash dividends, your X stocks balance will automatically increase to reflect the dividend payout. Trading hours: a huge advantage is that you can trade X stocks 24/5 on Kraken, giving you access outside of traditional market hours. Fees: Kraken states that there are no trading fees when purchasing X stocks with USD or USDG. However, other fees may apply depending on the asset you use to purchase. It's always best to check the fee schedule. Custody: the actual stocks backing the tokens are held by a regulated third-party custodian, not by Kraken. While X stocks offer a great way for international investors to easily get into the US stock market, remember that they are complex and speculative products. You're exposed to market risk, but also the technological risk of the blockchain platform they run on. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.